Punta na ako sa work. Lakad lang ako, lakad. Yan lang. Yan lang. Lapit. Yan ang building. Magpasok sa trabaho. Sa pagdapit lang. Init. Ang masarap pag init. Kasi namumuti na ako. Dito na ako guys sa trabaho ko. Ayan, trabaho ko. Yan. Mukhang piling customer. Yan. Siguro dito pa lang. Ang oras na. Ito, dito pa ako nagtatrabaho. Tarin ko muna. Ayan, nandito na ako sa loob. Hi, Maria! Hello, Maria!
You filming?
It's my partner.
Why you filming?
My partner.
No, you may be there or nobody there.
This is my YouTube channel. No, I'm going vlog.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
You don't like it. Me in the end.
She don't like it. You like it?
No. You put a pretty smiling and then
Okay, stop muna, okay?
goes me.
Right. Hello. You want bread? No people inside? Oh my god. How about Miss Angela? Here? Nothing. Oh my god. We're waiting the customer. Okay. Ang puti ko. Yeah, maybe later. This is Eric Joy Vlog TV. Mainit ito sa loob kaya kailangan kong itali ang hair ko. Yes. You're laughing, huh? My partner is laughing at me because she said I'm funny. Funny. Okay. I'm inside. This is my locker. I have a lot food here. See, I have a lot food. No customer because the weather is hot. So don't have a lot customer. Maybe a little bit inside. Okay, mahaba na po yung video ko kaya. Bye po. See you next time.